Have you ever seen how viruses are dangerous? This is how virus losses look like. Up to 20 of those infected end up in hospital, and many people have complications, including a deafness. There is no vaccine. Today we will analyze the iceberg of viruses. Part 1. Top of the iceberg. Swine flu, type H1N1. In 2009, the pandemic spread very quickly because the virus was mixed of swine, bird, and human flu. Although the mortality rate was low, the number of infected people was huge, and medical systems around the world were overwhelmed. Mutations make it dangerous for all age groups. Global pandemic, tens of thousands of deaths. Vaccine exists. Bird flu, influenza type A, H5N1. Humans are rarely infected, but in 1997, 18 people in Hong Kong were infected, and all of them died. The fear of pandemic was so great that thousands of chickens were destroyed as a precaution. If the virus mutated to be easily transmitted between humans, a potential pandemic vaccine exists. Part 2. Waterline. Coronavirus type SARS-CoV-1. Rapid threat in hospitals. Severe pneumonia. The virus emerged in China in 2002, spreading rapidly to hospitals. The disease resembled severe pneumonia, but scientists reacted quickly. The virus was identified within months, thanks to quarantine and isolation. The outbreak was contained, and after 2004, there were no more cases. Vaccine not exist. Part 3. Middle of the iceberg. Human immunodeficiency virus, abbreviation HIV. Mortality is almost 100% without treatment. Distress immunity, chronic virus, global pandemic. The virus is believed to have jumped to humans from chimpanzees in Central Africa in the early 20th century. It caused a global panic in the 1980s because no one understood how it was transmitted, and there is no cure. Interestingly, HIV can now be controlled with drugs, and people live for decades, but there is still no cure. Part 4. The death. Ebola virus. Very high mortality, up to 90%, bleeding, rapid destructions of the body. Vaccine exists.